Hello friends. In this video I will explain and show you how to install last year's Mac OS on your pre-2019 Mac. Let's get started. Follow the description's link to GitHub and download the OpenCore Legacy Patcher. Next, unpack our OpenCore, unzip it, and drag and drop everything. Now open our patcher, click Create Mac OS Installer. In my case, I need to download the installer. If you already have a Mac OS image, click Use Existing Mac OS Installer. I click Download Installer. The Mac OS version directory is loaded, and this is the most stable version available. The version is Mac OS 136. It weighs 11.9 GB. Click on it and the download starts. After it finishes, enter the password for our Mac so Legacy can write the installer to the disk. Once the download is complete, we will need a pre-formatted APFS flash drive. Plug it in, select the installer, click Install Mac OS, and choose ours. On the flash drive, press Yes, and then the recording will initiate once you input your password. Okay, our installer has been generated. Now we're heading to the Build Install OpenCore tab and installing a disk in order to install the patcher program on our flash drive. We'll be removing our flash drive from the Mac OS that has already been written. We input the password and start recording on the disk. Shut down the computer, then start it up again whilst holding the Alt key. Now we select Everything's ready. The installer has begun launching. So, our installer has fired up in a little window. Now we choose the drive and make sure to clear out our drive. We will wipe the disk in APFS format. With GUID partitions, we now proceed to the main installation. Click on Install Mac OS Ventura, then move on, Accept, and choose our disk. Select the drive on which we're going to install the system. Click Install, and then Continue. On battery charge, our installation begins. So, our Mac OS has been installed. Now we need to configure it and perform a few more tasks. So, the Mac OS has been successfully set up and installed. Now we need to install the patcher program on the computer's disks. To do this, we click in a pop-up window, Install. And we choose the SSD drive, not the flash drive. We choose Click and enter the computer's password. So, our disk has been patched. All that's left is to reboot the computer and begin utilizing it. That's all from me. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. Thank you everyone, and goodbye.